So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about cementicles. Today we will be going through the following topic: definition, etiology, mechanism of development, free cementicle and attached cementicle, hypercementosis and cementicle. So what are cementicles? They are the calcified bodies which are or calcified deposits which may be attached or free in the period space. According to Schaeffer's, they are the small foci of calcified tissue, not necessarily true cementum, okay, which lie free in the periodontal ligament of the lateral and apical root areas. So let's go to how are they formed. Exact cause of their formation is unknown, but the most accepted mechanism is dystrophic calcification, which is calcification is in degenerated tissue. So the most common mechanism is there is degenerative changes in pedia due to trauma, irritation, stress, mechanical stress, or it can be related to a systemic disorder, hypoparathyroidism. So these are the different factors that can contribute in the formation of cementicles, which then undergo calcification of cell rest of malices, which is the origin of cementicles according to this mechanism, and which enlarge by, so this calcification occurs, which enlarge by deposition of calcium salts in it. So calcium salts deposition over and over, and this continued deposition causes union of cementicle with or even inclusion in root cementum or alveolar bone in the root surface or something. Okay, so this is how cementicles are formed. Now, other possible mechanisms are focal calcification of connective tissue between Sapi's bundles with no apparent central nidus. No apparent central nidus means there is no focal point from where the calcification occurs. They are very random around the period space. So this is a figure of globular masses of cellular cementum. Now moving on to the other mechanism, this is cemental tear. Cemental tear. So the small fragments of cementum which are torn from the root surface, okay, torn from the root surface, or fragments of bone detached from the alveolar plate. If they lie free in the period space, they may resemble cementicles after they have undergone remodeling through resorption and subsequent repair. So you can see here the cemental tear, you can see, and these are the small stripes of primary cementum lying free in the period space after traumatic injury. And here you can see complete and partial cemental tear, as this is torn from the both sides on the completely detached from the root surface. This is complete cemental tear, whereas here you can see there is partial cemental tear from the root surface, which is partial cemental tear. Okay, so another mechanism is from calcified thrombosed capillaries. The blood vessels in periodontal ligament undergoes thrombosis and later calcification occurs. So these are comparable to phleboliths called vein stones in other tissues, which are red, dark red, maroon in color. Okay, so here you can see a picture of embedded cementicle, and here is cementum, like it is completely embedded in the tissue. Okay, so let's compare free cementicle from attached cementicle. They are free, they are fused, they are not attached, they are firmly attached or embedded. They may move, they are fixed, do not move, and most importantly, clinical relevance, they are of less pathological significance, whereas they may interfere with periodontal attachment or treatment, like endodontic procedures, inflammations, and treatment decisions can vary according to its shape, size, location, so etc. So here you can see a free cementicle. So free cementicle has certain circular lamellated pattern. And here you can see attached cementicles which have roughened globular outline to the root surface. Roughened globular outline to the root surface. And now let's compare hypercementosis with cementicles. So hypercementosis is excessive deposition of cementum on root surface, whereas cementicles is small discrete calcified bodies of PDO. Hypercementosis is along root surface and often continuous, where cementicles are free in PDO, attached to root or embedded calcified debris, pulp remnants, or vascular thrombosis. Hypercementosis are caused in reaction to trauma, inflammation, or occlusal stress, whereas cementicles are the calcified debris, pulp remnants, or vascular thrombosis. Hypercementosis is uniform thickening or bulbous root outline, whereas cementicles is small, round, radiopaque bodies near the root surface. So these are the references. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.